Today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial. How to achieve eyebrow. Okay, I will be using this Maybelline NY Angled eyebrow brush, this e.l.f. smudge eye sponge, this eyebrow brow wand by e.l.f., this eyeliner pencil, it's brown, dark brown, it's by Gabrielle. It's kind of faded away. And I'll be using this eyeshadow palette by MAC. It's a dark brown. So first, and I will also be using Pond's dry skin cream and a concealer, my skin color, and a brush for the concealer. If I can find it. A brush for the concealer. It has a thin brush. Okay, first I take my eyebrow wand and I comb my eyebrow up and over. After I do that, I take my eyebrow pencil, the eyeliner pencil, sharpen it if you need to. I need to sharpen mine. You should have a start with the sharper point for a more precise eyebrow. I take it and I line the bottom of my eyebrow and the top of my eyebrow. So I will do that very lightly. You see it forming right there. It needs to be sharpened too, so you see the very precise, very straight. After I'm finished lining the top and bottom, I start fading in the end of my eyebrow just a little bit, not too dark. And then I'll be finished with the pencil. And next we move on to the angled brush and the shadow. I take maybe 2 lines and I start from back to front. Well, actually start from middle to back to front, sorry. Just to blend in the pencil on the edge in the front. And after I do that, you see it's faded. I will use the sponge and the angle brush. So I get one more. And I put it right, maybe like that much from the faded part. And then I'll use the sponge, go backwards. So usually you would go this way, now you will go this way to smudge the eyeshadow onto the faded part. so it won't be so dark from the eyeshadow or liner. And then you take your brush again and brush it the right way. After I do that, I take my brush, my concealer, which is my skin color, and my Pond's. The reason I use the Pond's is because this makes my face dry out, so I just mix the concealer with the Pond's, just a little bit though. So you would take your concealer and your brush, only just a little bit, dab it in the Pond's, and then I first do my bottom. So I would put the concealer on the bottom of my brow. This can also be done if you made a mistake and don't want to erase it in the beginning when you first made it. So okay, and then I will take my mixture again. This one has more lotion because I'm going to line the middle part of my eyebrows and this part. I like to make a point with my eyebrows. Okay, and it's okay if you have a little bit because we'll clean it up later. Then I take it and do the top, so it'll be completely straight. And after I'm finished with that,